Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Everlaw detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Everlaw, which is www.everlaw.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Everlaw homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Login button located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see two fields, one for your email address and another for your password. In the first field, enter the email address associated with your Everlaw account. Next, move to the password field and type in your password carefully. Before proceeding, ensure that you have entered both your email and password correctly. If you have forgotten your password, there is an option available to reset it. To reset your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. You will then be prompted to enter your email address again to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the reset link, and follow the instructions provided in that email. Returning to the login page, after entering your email and password, locate the Login button below the fields. Click on the Login button to access your Everlaw account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Everlaw dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your email and password for accuracy. Once logged in, you can navigate through the platform to access your projects and documents. If you need to log out, find the profile icon in the top right corner and click on it. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu to end your session securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.